Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and these trekking or hiking poles by Cascade Mountain Tech are super. These lightweight poles are super strong because they're aluminum. You don't have to be an intense backpacker to use these. I think I'm going to get a pair of these for my mom for when she's walking in the winter. They're great for just walking, for hiking, for so many different purposes. You can use them in the snow. They have tips for that, for the mud, for sensitive surfaces as well. And it comes in this nice package so everything stays together and they're easy to travel with. I'm loving these Cork grips. They're so comfortable to hold on to. And these poles are so incredibly user-friendly. They're so easy to use. They collapse down nice and tiny. And to pull them out, they're incredibly user-friendly. You can use the inches or the centimeters. They have a nice quick lock so they don't take a huge amount of time to be able to get yourself set up, ready to use them. These are a must if you're a hiker, backpacker, or a walker. So if you're looking for trekking poles, try these ones by Cascade Mountain Tech. I think that they're super. My husband actually just bought a pair for himself. We love them, and that's our point of view.